they get water. There is no light.
They pass here, they go. So till they happen, no, madam, is business. But anywhere you do for Nigeria, now they watch us. I did for Benin City, Edo State, South Nigeria. I did one of the market, the King's Market. When they call it Daken Market. This market, sote, they come, they sell for outside, they sell for corner. Now the people wait in charge say, make everybody, government say, make everybody enter inside. Everybody don't enter inside now. But this line, when I did so, people complain about this line. Some say they not get money to take carry this store. Why some say they get? Why there's some say you don't buy them? Some say me don't buy them. Some say some people don't get 10. But I don't enter the market now. Madam, not be you get this store?
No, I rent.
Okay, you rent. After you don't pay the rent now, when you the store will belong to you or how?
No, now somebody bought the store. Okay. So I have to rent. I have no option.
But how is business?
We thank God, we bless God.
But you should say that money where you take rent this place, you should say you go feel make come back for you.
God will help us.
Chideke go do one.
That's enough go fit make am.
No, the money where you take rent this store, you just say you go make am.
Where I want to make am? For where market no dey. Now I want make am.
What do you want to give this line, Seth?
That's what baby things like.
Baby things, they're expensive, well. I agree to now. Have business now. Those customers will say they not go come, they go come in the name of God. We don't they go. Hey. We don't they go. Hey. Sorting the apple. Make customer come. Hey. Now be party no. I think say the fence don't separate everybody. Why not inside the store? Sorted the apple, mama. I don't use that fire you tire. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Now you not got it. Now you not got it.
What did they have?
Sorted the apple.
Market don't change.
Why you not go carry all those new stuff?
I get money. No money now. Yeah, with the first manager here. Yeah, with the manager. No money to carry this kind of thing.
That's why I dey beg His Excellency now, the Executive Governor of Edo State. What I don't want me you do, just enter this market. Pay for all the stores, make all of them enter.
God bless you for that word. God bless you. If you do it for us, we not suffer again.
His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, enter Daken Market. But as every trader now enter inside the market now, like this.
We like her. Now we're all good now.
Oh, now good.
Yes, now.
Don't call the build on this one, government.
Now so can't people the build now.
But now your shade be this. This not be shade now. This not be shade now.
Now my shade not for sure be come on here. Now my shade be this.
How much for this yam now? Last price or last price?
250 last.
250 naira.
That's why it's cheap.
Sorted the apple. I greet you.
Yeah, welcome.
How's the family?
We are fine.
Happy New Year.
I wish you the same.
Mommy, like your office be this, I've been at the store. The way you just say relax.
I just relax for here.
What will be the situation and the new development now for this our Daken market now?
Okay, the situation of the market now. Obaseki said make we enter inside market because we call with the market people they cause nuisance for road. Then they cause go slow. Now we enter inside market, they build the shade, make it fine. So that if our government is here, they go like am. Now make us stay inside market. Now the shade, now we they build so.
Okay, you know say this shade now. Build it already there here for modern market. When I don't want to enter that one, build this one. When they build so now, now be that.
They use a modern market.
And now they so now. Now they so now.
The modern market now you do so. But some people they all these modern markets. Some people were in their house they don't buy them. They buy many shade for here. They want renter out 50,000 to market women. And we they sell crayfish, they sell vegetable. They don't feel rent shade 50,000 for 1 year for this small shade. Now I make them say if na umbrella go fit take the shade, I go sit down for where they never build finish.
Now they understand this matter well. Say we are this so now. Now like 50K if I want to open my shade here.
Not too shop.
Okay. Because of the way government concept, the way government don't they clean everywhere now. Say make una enter inside market. Now na enter inside market. Then una come talk say because as you talk does not say many people don't pay for all this one. Una know if they say okra, pepper and yam for outside. Una come and back on una own self project to the build on this one wey go enter. No be you dey talk so.
This one when we sit down so, we don carry microphone, give people, make dem announce for inside the market. Who know say e get shade here, make all of them enter. Who no see money pay, make dem sit down for here, make e say kpako.
Mommy, I thank you for the time you take talk to us. Make I dey investigate, maybe other people get wetin they go tell me. CSO. Okay, mo waka na. Me are you CSO. Baba come, no say this our life. Something dey happen. Something dey happen. No worry, we go talk. You know what? I want quick talk to you. Now you be the CSO now. No, this is my cap. Not my cap. Your cap. This is my own.
No, this is not my own. That one are your own.
Okay, this one is my own now.
No, not be your own. You know, I said we are a designer.
As government say make everybody now around this market now enter inside market. I be now.
As it be, so me like me give Governor Godwin Obaseki very big kudos. Where everybody take come up for outside, make they take come inside market. But one thing we come dey pain us inside be say, you see all these shops, so e get many people. Some dey Abuja, some dey Lagos, wey come buy this shop.
This shop?
Yes. And people supposed to buy this shop. Now people wey dey this market, they come go give am to some people wey be say they get they dey Abuja, they dey many places, they come buy am. And as they buy am now, they no gree put person inside. Okay, you can't expect person now when they sell tomatoes or fish, make come carry on. And they can't tell them make they can't enter inside here. Make everybody go enter here. When una go enter, the person will get on, go find una, then they'll come settle. It can't get one woman. I can't forget the woman name for this market. The woman say anybody will enter this place, they go arrest them. Is it na be agent of 82 shop? Is it na Mike na make an agent?
No, but if not democracy for the people and by the people, anybody will work at this store where they sell pepper or okra suppose get opportunity to come here.
That's what it's supposed to be. But one woman not agree. Is it na be agent saying get 82 shop for the market? So me no understand how they take give her the agency certificate. Whether na Governor Obaseki na give am or na Mike na give am.
But as you are CSO now, the way everybody dey inside now, you feel secure everything.
Now I mean like, not be say I go come, they'll come tell me say, now so they carry small tomatoes for outside, now so they come carry small garri for outside. Anybody who enter inside market now, anything where you see, go take them.
I thank you, but I need to when they go on, I need to investigate. Thank you.
Investigate.
Let's go back to where go back to where you from they come from. Go back. Make I something they happen. Something they happen no. What did they happen? But they don't what did they happen now? But you like as everybody this market now?
I like our.
But what will be your challenge as a trader?
The challenge now be say those of them when they build the shop now, then when they say they be here, that they build the shop now, then buy the shop. Now the money when they say me will pay now, it's too much. Each Paco shop now when they build, that they say 30,000. What are the 30,000 are for we to buy the space so forever, or the 30,000 what are for a year? We don't know.
Why you not buy from this new modern one where they put for inside here?
They say no day again, no space, no store again. All the store they don't buy them. Even this Paco one when they see they build now with wood. Now one person get 2 lines. One woman go say na he be here, but one person get.
Wait, okay. What it concern you for this matter?
Because me self inside the market. One person go just take like 20 store. You know good now. Okay, what of this one who will no get money to take that kind of thing?
What do you say for which kind of business you do?
I did say I say crayfish and they say different.
Why you not enter this new modern one?
Now we enter now. We enter, but to enter and now it not easy again because of the money for store. Money for store.
Okay, what are you talking about? Make government make it reduce. I go tell reduce them. What they reduce them?
I want to talk. Say make government help us. This one when they build, when government say make we come inside, make government help us. Make help us start to the year. Make they reduce and the 30,000 when they see say make we pay for the Paco store, it's too much. For the normal build store when they build now, they say 50,000. The Paco store when they still build now, they say 30,000.
We go investigate all this matter. Something they happen. Yeah, now good day. But something they happen. But in case of say anywhere you there for Nigeria now, I there for Benin City, those states South Nigeria. They one of the marketplace where they call Idake Market for Selu. You go see I'm saying for some time now, for over years now, people they do business for outside. If you dey pass this Benin Ugbawa Lagos road, you go always see traders along the place and the side. But government of the day talk say they don't tire, they want make everybody enter inside market. But for over time, complaint don't take. Because if you see this market where they now, before not be all those kind big markets where we say people they come they buy quantity and dozen. People will be they trade there like crayfish, okra, rubber of rice, bag of rice, aloko, petit things, orange, sherry, different things like ogbolo. Then of course you see cow and fish and scuba and sese. All of them, both the day and the women, all of them they be gathered for SIF. But now the government can't get contract with some people say okay make them build modern markets.
Na money wey dem put for the store. They say 30,000. You go even owe money na dem say no space again.
For inside this market?
Yeah.
Let me say not too many for this market.
Many they say you fit owe money. They say
something they happen but the truth of the matter as we dey inside this market now, some people they fear to talk. As we dey inside this market now, some people they fear to talk. But something they happen. But I go beg the state government and I go beg the local government, make them enter round table again with the people where they give the contract to build this market. Then another thing be say, you know say for this country, the poor are getting poorer and the rich are getting richer. Not be everybody gets. Some self, if you check the table where they say not be they get a move. Some to even see money they do table, we get a CB. How you doing? But as I often don't enter inside that market now, it be like this now. But make we go really see the stores. Follow me. Okay, go. See the. Something they happen, no. Something they happen. And they go those modern stores. Okay, as everybody dey inside market now,
e good like this.
Because people make motor not go dey keep people.
No, people not go keep people.
But space not inside this market.
Space dey, see space around now. Space around, not just say yes now.
Another big question: why people not enter this new modern store?
They never give them. Now cause when they don't enter. The money too big. The money where they put it too big. Now make they never enter.
Mo go see the store. Wait now, carry the store now. Be like. Now you want enter now? Something they happen. Why you know it is here?
See me. What's on assistant CSO na me console.
Hey.
Listen to me.
Okay, wait. But where are they so? This is not the new modern place. Where we say the market people they supposed enter. Yes. But something they happen. Something they happen. What did they happen here? Why people wait inside this market who not drive from where come and drive from outside? I bet they never build. Okay, they never build their finish.
You done so reach. What's on who they talk so? Na assistant here so they talk so. You see as a bit so now. On that very day 4 days ago, where the lead troops say make they push people from Miller Road outside and Agidigbe. Yes. Now me carry mic when organ. Tell say market chairman say make it go round. Say make everybody come inside. Now I go use phone take go round say. If you don't get shop, because shop they don't enter for person head. If you don't get shop, come inside. If you not see money to get shop, you rent, come inside. So I'm always select the goods from the bags. Now, the next morning, as I come here, they know that me announce. As I enter, I say, okay, people gather me, they won't enter. See the signification of say shop not to rent. Sam, say this thing 000. And the signification of say shops not to rent. Say na 50,000 naira. After a year, which is annual, say you come be 40,000 naira. So simplicity and otherwise, na 40,000 naira.
For this store when I did so.
Yes, now it did so. So good. In the initial time, this store supposed to be supposed to be here to here. So they come. When that woman come, so when say we na ogbonge. In a Mikel agent, Queen, na be her name. When come, he can say, Oga Mikel, commissioner. We government give commissioner. When that one come, he can tell the Mikel say right now, may demarcate now make this pillar come. this plan not supposed to come. So that morning when people park follow me, I dey let them know. Say okay, make una enter. If una enter, who don't rent go come out. That's who don't buy go come out. Go tell you say na rent in rent time. That woman come again. He say he owe 82. From the shops.
For yeah.
Say na him be the agent of the 82 shops. As they talk, read my words.
That will not be allegation. You dey talk now.
No, he say face to face. He say 82 now in the control.
For this side, this place.
Yes, now my oga come, which is CSO. Where you say you know, the Yoruba man come pass it back and say, oh madam, if you be agent of 82 shops, how many they can get? Your oga government say make he pack a bag of baggages comot, he go pay am off. As I speak now, he don't pack his mate dey go. You wey be get secretary, come be secretary to am. Who are you? Now my oga ask am.
This matter we go investigate.
We go go. Na me dey talk so.
We go investigate this matter.
Who go go? As I talk, I say who dey go. He no dey cause crowd because na woman him be. Say make dem not go inside. Say if anybody go, say he go arrest am with police
for this market.
Yes, he can't stop government power. May not come inside. Now I can't make and say everything can be zaga zaga. We not gonna see road again. Say as they tell you so now, fear not gonna let people when one can rent. They fear police. They fear bail. They fear arrest. They fear detention. They not be come inside. As they talk so now, our local people gather and that they now stop our local people because I could testify on our local.
Inside this market.
As where we stand that happen. Now where we stand that happen.
But all these stores now, somebody they don't carry arm.
They don't buy some. Listen to me. They don't buy some. They will buy some. Now politicians, now people will get money. Now people will never be bonafide traders for this market. Now they buy them. They want rent them. That woman not let them rent them.
Oga Wasunu, they don't buy all. The ones where they never buy. Some people can't tell us say, I will tell no the one where they never buy. Me I show you.
I don't tell her.
You see 000. Now be the one where they never buy. And if you count this 000, it not reach 10 where they inside here. Yeah? May we look at me, you see. Now be say, oh, they don't buy. Some people they Abuja, some people they Kanu, some people they Kaduna.
But make I ask them when they sell the market, why they not buy for inside here?
The money too big. The money too big. 550,000 naira. You go see the money.
The fact is the space is too tight. The space is too tight. Cannot contain us. If it is from year to year, we could have afford it.
Wait, now because the money too big, that's why I'm here.
No, the space.
Okay,
now the space, yes.
Okay, wait, my mama, talk to me. This place.
This place is too small. You know that if you put table, your children not go see where it stay. You not go see where to stay. Now it be the problem.
Imagine
it's too small. If they go break this one, make we rent them. We go rent them. If we see.
Make I ask other people. Oh yeah, come. Unchangeable, reliable. Only you can do what no man can do. Unchangeable, reliable. Only you can do what no man can do. Foul line. Why you know they sell this fowl for inside that new store when they go come and say me you go?
Carry money too much, money too big, I don't fit.
Money too big for the store.
I don't fit. You go give me money.
400,000. Where we want it down?
Where I want see the money. I go buy something. This fowl now. I go buy 1.5. I come the sell 2,000. But I will take pay.
So the reason why you don't enter that new store now be say the money too big.
It's too big.
Why you for this matter?
Too concern me
because
too concern because all of us want die for hungry. We dey tell about say make it create space for us. All of us want die for hungry.
Space now.
Because what make me talk so make the money wey dey for market is too much. We are dying. Many are widows, no husband to take care of the children at home. So how do you expect us to feed now?
But those new ones now.
But the shade is too much. It's too expensive for the women to pay.
Everybody here now, you know like her.
Not is good, but the fact is that let them reduce the price of the market is too high.
What thing concern you for this matter?
Over concern because I am dying, no husband. I don't know how to take care of my children. I'm begging the government to come and help us.
What thing concern you?
Soon, waiting they happen.
Thank everybody for the time we so they watch us. Anywhere you do for Nigeria, things they happen. Now this Uselu market traders, they get some kind of complaint when they happen to them. The complaint be say government don't say make them enter inside market because they don't want to see anybody will go to sell something for outside and inside. That's why they say make them everybody enter inside here. But as they don't enter inside here now, some people say they don't get money to take enter the new market where they build, but they don't do some construction now. But some kind matter they here will be say we go want make those state government make them investigate the matter and what did they happen to these traders when they for inside this market. Mommy, how are you? How you doing, mommy? Why you not go carry shit for that new one?
I don't get money.
Yeah? But as government say make una enter some market now, you like am?
But I like and I no money.
But you don't get money to take carry that shit.
That's me, Jedila. Go give me money, not take it. I don't get money. I think I'll give me money.
I'll tell governor.
Help me now.
Make governor help you.
I want to make them help me. I want their help.
So some market women waiting for Uselu market, they not get money to take carry this new store. Maybe if to say they contest for president or governor now, anybody where they try to want, just come inside Uselu market now. Say like all the women where they inside here, I don't pay for all the store. Politicians now they talk that kind of thing. Hey. She no want to. Something they happen, Oga. He carry too sweet.
No, sir.
Mama.
Hey, good evening.
This kind of meat is supposed to be seller for that new store now.
Oh, that store? No money, oh. No money. If you don't get big money, nothing enter that store.
But as the same call of night, some market now, you like them?
Yes, now some market we did so. We like them. Space there here. Breeze they enter our body.
But this is that new store you want to go carry?
That small store where not go contain my small table. 400,000. Where I want to see the money? Full shed like this now. 1 point something. Where person want see money? Now make us they say garage. Now make us they garage with the manage here.
His Excellency, the executive governor of Edo State, you need to talk for this matter. But you know say we they upgrade every day now.
Yes.
You know say as they don't build this market now, they don't plan everywhere.
Yes.
You understand? When you now go they talk now, be saying this thing a better thing, no. Make them consider the money.
Make them consider the money. Make them cut the money go down.
But as I say, make everybody enter inside now. You like her?
I like her. Now outside I did now. As they say we enter inside now, come inside.
You know say get the way this market go be now. Now get meat line.
Exactly.
Now get fish line.
Look at it now.
You don't
arrange them. Be the jack of the meat of the meeting member. So when we don't arrange them.
That means now they pay all those full and make that they carry cow they call the shop our gas for you.
No.
Okay.
We not marketer. Okay. We buy from butchers.
Okay. I wish you success. This 2018 now double meeting I'm gonna say.
Amen.
This 2018, even that money where you talk say you not get to take rent that place, you go see the money.
Amen. But I don't go fit rent that place with that money. I don't go fit rent with that money. It's not going to enter our body. It's too small. You tell people cut into two like this, we not go fit enter. If I tell them we reduce that to 50,000, we not go enter there. This one where we be so like we like, please go to enter our body. Yes, I don't carry my meat. This meat na 3,000.
But now you go say this meat na 3,000.
That's why I take by na 3,000. As we take by.
Investigate. You go see say somebody now dey one of the stores now. Now pepper, okra, crayfish, boga, and all. What you say, madam? How business here?
Thank God.
She don't. Now you get this place, abi?
Na me get some.
We thank Baba God, though.
We thank God.
Some people say they not go fit get this kind of money where you pay to take girl the other one, though.
Na their choice.
She say na their choice. Hey! How business? He said this their leg get as if people not dey come.
People not
Now I say go do something. Say wetin she want.
What make I do? What you say make I do?
Make customers for the get.
Wetin you want do? I want take one. Sure. See where market dey there. Show you to show me road. This place too high. Church I carry back for now. No, that's it.
Everything all about him is great.
But this one not be grace.
Customer not come.
You know they come.
I said do something. Are you not from Nigeria? Do something.
What do you want me to do?
Do something.
What do you want me to do? Make I do.
I can't bear meat on the leaf mountain.
I don't prepare the man to prepare the matter.
You know this is
But to use money go buy food for restaurant and to cook, sure it is a really cheap pass.
Nah, to cook. Not to cook.
No, check them now. You want go buy hold like 500 naira now. You want go restaurant go buy like two akpu, two akpu. Then you want miss there. You know say for Nigeria we they miss all the soup. Egusi and egbolo and the black soup miss them together.
Yes.
Then I must say that one that two akpu go be 200 naira be. Then one meat 100 naira.
I know that's a million like that. So if you as I heard there now, what are you buy for here now? Everything be there now. My house is roughly 1,500.
1,500.
I go which 1 week because the only more they stay. I don't marry. I never marry now.
You announce yourself. You just did.
I just did.
You just did.
Like that.
1.5 for 1 week.
Yes, 1.5 for 1 week.
Mr. Once a day you the shop.
That's what we call see their life now. But what is it with person?
Suffer for world. Now your fault be that. Me I say, now your fault be that. Suffer.